Hi there, welcome to another tutorial of Solidworks. In this video, we are going to finish this part that we started in the previous lesson. And I hope you tried drawing it yourself, and now we are going to do it together. And if you just study this part, we have this extruded boss base on top of the original base shape here. And probably somebody might start with this area. You can as well start with the extrude cut on this section where we have two holes, or we can have this counter bore together with this cutout on this flying face here. Then now you can add the angular shape of radius of 32. But for me, I'm going to start with this area here where we'll add the counter bore and this extruded cutout here. So let's start by adding the fillets on this face here. Click fillet, then we go to the round fillet, select that face and rotate it like that. Then select another face, and then the final face like that. Then you can apply. That's okay. Now we draw this cutout. Come to extrude cut, select that face, and since it is 22 millimeters wide and 6 millimeters deep, and it is in the center, because you can see here from this end from the center to the other end is 11 millimeters. So I'll come to my line command. I draw this line up to there. The trick here, you can just press and hold the line command. Then when you reach the point where you want it to reach, you just release the mouse. Probably now I'll come to just exit the line command. Then select these two lines, hold Control key on your keyboard, select the other line, then come to convert entities. Then I can still go ahead and trim the areas that I don't want to be part of the sketch. Then I can add some measurement, and this is 22. Then I can also say that from the center to this end is 11. From the center to that end is 11, and now it is fully defined there. So just exit sketch, and from the diagram it is 6 millimeters deep. So let's clear this initial one and select this. Then now you can go 6 millimeters deep. Direction blind. Then there we have 6 millimeters deep. And that's okay. So we have drawn that. Then the second one here, we can do extrude cut for this hole, or we can activate the hole command. Let us go ahead and activate the hole command. Here now we have this legacy hole, and under type we'll have the countable, so that we'll able to feed all these values at once. So the diameter of the hole here is 19 millimeters, while the diameter of the countable is 32 millimeters, and it is 9 millimeters deep, and the other one is through hole. So we are going to feed that value here. We have diameter of 13. The depth we are going to have up to the surface. Then we have the diameter of the countable is 32. If you want to change the value, just double click on that value there. Then the depth of the countable is 9 millimeters. So this looks okay, and we just want to select the surface where we'll have the hole, the through hole. After you've done everything, come to position. Then here you can now place that hole. Let me select that. You can press escape key to move away from that hole positioning. Then select the center of that hole like that. Then hold the control key and select one of those arcs there. Then make it concentric like that. Then you apply. Then this one now looks okay. So the second bit, we are now going to do this cut extrude at this side here. We can see also with the two holes. But now the main sketch is going to have these angles, 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. And it is 10 millimeters deep. And the measurement of that cut extrude is going to be 42 millimeters. But you can see it is also in the center, because from this end to the other end is 11 millimeters. This one is also 11 millimeters. That is coming to 22 plus 44. That will give us this final length, which is 64. So let's go ahead and add that. Select this face still, or just go to the extrude cut, then select that face. Once you select that face, now you can do that profile sketch. Say it's starting from somewhere here. Then we have this like that. And some of these automatic relations have already been added. Let's go ahead and add a few manually. Select that line, hold control key, select another line and add equal relation. Press OK. Also, we want this one to be always in the center. Select that line, right click, select midpoint, then hold control key on your keyboard, then select this midpoint, then make it coincident. Then by that, it's always going to be on the center, no matter the measurement you feed into it. So you can go ahead and add some measurement. This angle is 30 degrees. Sorry. This angle from, let me delete that. So we have a measurement command. Then we have this angle, and that angle is coming to 30 degrees. And since they are equal, they will add it automatically to the other end. Then we can now just add the measurement below here, which is 42. And now it is 10 millimeters deep. 10 millimeters deep like that. And you can see it is now fully defined. You can go ahead and exit sketch. And in this case we can just have through all selected like that. And now it is time to add these two holes here. You can see from the cut area that distance to the center of the hole is 28, while the distance between the two centers of the hole is coming to 29. Now we can select cut extrude for the holes. Then you select that face. Then we can have the two holes, and we can add some relations. We can select the first one is already selected. Then I'll just select this first one. Press Ctrl key on your keyboard. Select this one. Then we need to add equal relation. That we can add the dimensions here first, like this. That is 20, 28. The distance between them is 29. And let's now add the diameter is 13. And since they are equal, that's why I was saying that now we can select this one, hold Control, select this one again, make them equal. Press OK. And you can see it is still underdefined. That's because we haven't locked it in the center. Then we start by selecting the middle point there. Then hold Control key, select the center, select that center. And all this you can make them vertical. So we can have fully defined sketches there. Then we can now press OK or exit sketch to apply the extrude cut. Extrude cut, we want to do it up to the surface, then we select this upper face like that. That looks okay. So far so good. Now the final bit is adding this feature here, and these features you can do them by first studying this measurement, but you can pause the video and try doing it yourself. And if you are able to do that, well and good. And also you can as well, after pausing the video, now you can come back and we do it together. So first here you can see from the center of these holes, or from the center of this extruded base on this shape here to the bottom here is 51, meaning that from this surface here to the center here is going to be 51 minus 19. That is coming to 32. So we have 32 from here to the base. But now since this you can see this circular area is having a radius of 19. You can see here it's having a radius of 19, and from here to here is 32. Now we just add that radius, that is coming to 51. So from this surface to the top is coming to 51. You can also see from this end up to this small circle area there is 40. But now you can see this surrounded area is extending by 3 millimeters, Now if you want from this end up to this vertical line going up, that is coming to 17, because it's going to be 14 plus 3, that is 17. Then the thickness here is going to be, we have 21, but now 21 includes even this allowance of 3. So meaning there is going to be 21 minus 3, that's coming to 19, the same as this one. Then now here we have 30 millimeters. You can go ahead and try that. Then also we have small holes at the top here, but those ones we can add later. The width of this extrusion is, since this area is tangential to this bigger circle at the top, and the radius of those circles, bigger circles, is 19, meaning now the width is coming to be 38, and it is in the center because we have from here to the center is 32, while the whole length is 64. So I guess that is how it is, and we can go ahead and we start our sketches on the mid plane. We have here extrude, then you select the plane, mid plane, or not mid plane but front plane, and now we start by drawing the basic sketch here, not feature but sketch. We have something like this, like that, like that. Then we close our sketch like that. Now we need to add some relation, and its thickness here, you can see we have a thickness here. Since from this surface to the other, to the center is 32, meaning this thickness is going to be 32 minus 25, that is coming to 7. So here we have some relations which have been added automatically. We can add some so that we have easy time working with this sketch. So this line and this line should always be on the same line, or same yeah, they should always be collinear. Can add make collinear. Then also we do have in as much as they are collinear, they should also be equal, add equal relation. And then I think now you are good to go. Now you can add from this end, and that end is 17. Then now from this end to that thickness is 7. Then now we have this thickness here coming to 19, because it is going to be 21 minus 3. Then we also have this overall length coming to 51. And you can see our sketch is still not yet fully defined because we haven't added that cut region, which is 30 millimeters wide. And now it is fully defined. Now our sketch is fully defined. You can go ahead and exit sketch. After exiting the sketch, now we can have this one selected. Just clear the selection and have it select this one. Now we have this one, we want to do a mid plane, and the thickness is coming to 38 because it is 19 by 2. So here we have this feature already. Now we just want to add the fillet, and we go to our nice round fillet. You add it on top there. So you select this first face, this one, then that one, click OK. Also you come to this fillet again, add this face, then add another face, also add this one, then sorry, that is a common mistake that you will be also making at some point. Once you select one face, you move to the next window here, then click OK. So far everything is okay. Now what we want to do is add this extrusion. So you can see we have extrusion of 3 millimeters on either side. We can go ahead and add those ones. Select this extrude, then this face here. Then now we can add the circle. The circle is same as that one, but we can just add measurement 38, exit sketch. So we have the depth of the extrusion here is only 3 millimeters. This looks okay. Also we do have that same extrusion on the other side, but now we want to do that using the same sketch. Come and expand this one, select that sketch, go to extrude, extruded boss. Then now from here, now you start, you select the plane where to start from, and now you can just use offset. And here, not offset, but surface or plane. And here now we select this one, and we want to move it to the other direction. We just move it not mid plane but blind, so that we move it this side, and it is going to be, that is 3 millimeters. That's okay. So here you can make this shape in a number of ways. The one we are using here is just one of the ways, but there is a couple of ways you can use. There is also a hole here. This hole has a diameter of let me check. Yeah, it has a diameter of 19, and there are two of them, meaning they are equal. So we can go ahead and select this extrude cut, then it is on this face. I can add some circle, then we take the measurement. Here is diameter 19, diameter 19, then you exit sketch. And also this one, I don't want to make through all, but I can make it up to the surface. And this surface is coming to be this selected face there. Then click OK. So we are almost done, but if you look at the top here, you can see we have some small holes, 9 millimeters from both ends. And we have it has a diameter of 12, not 12, but it has a diameter of 3, but they are 12 millimeters deep. I hope that is clear. The diameter is 3. They are the same, two of them, and it is going 12 millimeters deep like that. So here what we need to do is it is difficult to sketch on this tangential face or almost circular face here. So we need to offset either this face to here so that we can sketch on top of this face here. So in that case, what we need to do is come to feature, under feature star, come to reference geometry, select plane. Then you have to select the plane like that. Then you want to offset this plane by a number of distance. But now we see here from this face to the top here was having a distance of 51 because it was 32 plus 19. So that was giving us 51. So just go ahead and add 51 here, 51 millimeters. And that's okay. Now what we want to do is to sketch on this new plane. Go to extrude cut because they are going to have those holes anyway. You select that plane. Now it comes to normal to our faces there. Then you can add the circles. Here is also we can add the circles. And we can add some relations here. First, we can say the circles are equal. Another thing you can do is select the centers of. First, we can start with this point. We want them to be on this horizontal line. So you can start by selecting that. Then select these two centers, press Ctrl like that. Then you can make them horizontal. Once that is done, we can now add the dimension. Can add the dimensioning. There is coming to 9 millimeters. Let me select that point. Select measurement. That is coming to 9 millimeters. Then the remaining bit we have to do the measurement. The diameter is 3 millimeters. And it is 12 millimeters deep. Exit sketch. And now we can see how it goes. And we'll have blind selected, and the depth is coming to 12 millimeters deep. And we're almost done. This is now looks okay. We can go ahead and hide this plane. This one looks okay. Then finally you can see we have fillets going round, and these fillets we have them in terms of 6 millimeters. This end is 3 millimeters. Also this end is 3 millimeters all round. 6 is coming all round again. Then here also we have 3. So here you can go ahead and select multi-fillet. So first we want to have this one having 6 millimeters all round. Like that. Then we have this end is also 6 millimeters. We can stand 6 millimeters like that. Then check multi-fillet again now, and come here and say this one, instead of 6 now I can put this one to 3. This one is also 3. This is also 3. Then sorry if you are getting confused, but we'll just find your way around this. So all this is 3 millimeters, and also at this end we had 3 millimeters, and here also again we have 3 millimeters. So it is all added, and in case you are lost, just ping me or let me know in the comment section so that we can see how to help you with this amazing diagram. So everything looks great and fantabulous. Let me know in case you have any question concerning this diagram. For now, don't worry about your design tree if it is too long, because there is also a shorter version of doing this with a shorter design tree. But for now, don't worry about it. Let me know if you have any question concerning this shape. And I think we can also go ahead and add some appearance on it. Let's try this high gloss. So a high gloss is shine. So just take the appearance. Oh, it has added in the wrong face. It is too dark. This is not the good. So that's how you can draw this figure. Let me know if you have a question on the comment section, and let's meet on the next tutorial. Thank you, and please do remember to subscribe to this channel. I'm helping you out to help me out. Thank you very much, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.